following program is a production of Hōʻike Kauai Community Media. Aloha, Kauai. This week, we may see a lot more action than we expect. Hurricane Kiko is making its way toward the island, and that could mean some unplanned bad weather for us. But we're still going to show you what is planned for next week while you get those emergency prepared kits together. Because, well, you just never know. A couple concerts, a couple art exhibits, and even a coronation adds to the excitement next week. The Kauai County Agency on Elderly Affairs has a few things planned for Kupuna this week and the entire month of September, actually. So we'll go over that in our Community Connections segment. We've organized it all for you, so you don't have to worry. I'm Trisha Allen, and this is the Hōʻike Weekly. As I'm sure you've probably heard by now, a hurricane named Kiko is making its way toward Hawaii and could impact our island as early as next week. Forecasts as of today, September 5th, show Kiko will likely weaken into a tropical storm by then, but heavy rain, gusty winds, rough surf, and possible flooding are still expected Tuesday into Wednesday. The Kauai Emergency Management Agency is reminding everyone that it's always better to be ready before the weather turns, and that a good emergency kit is essential and should contain a 2-week supply of food and water, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, any necessary medications, along with copies of your prescriptions. Add in first aid supplies, hygiene items, and a whistle, and everything can be kept in a sturdy container or rolling cooler. That's easy to grab if needed. Staying prepared now will make a huge difference once Kiko gets closer. All right, well, besides Hurricane Kiko, we've got some other things scheduled in our community calendar, and we want you to be able to look up the details even after the show. In order to do that, we've made a special website for you that contains links to info on everything we cover in today's episode. Getting there is easy. Just scan that cute little QR code in the corner of the screen, and bingo bango, you'll have all the details you need. That said, here's all of Kauai's upcoming events scheduled from September 8th to September 14th. September 9th is the second Tuesday of the month, and that means it's Puppy Hour at Halelehui. The Kauai Humane Society will be on site at 4286 Rice Street with adorable and, more importantly, adoptable puppies to snuggle and play with from 11 a.m. till 1 p.m. This event is not only incredibly cute, it's also open to the public and no registration is required. Melvin Seals and JGB will take the stage at the Porter Pavilion in Kilauea on Friday, September 12th and Saturday, September 13th. Doors will open at 5:30 p.m. with music beginning at 6:30 p.m. Known for their high-energy mix of blues, funk, rock, jazz, and gospel, the group continues to carry the spirit of Jerry Garcia Band. These performances are part of Nainoho's Concerts with a Cause series, with proceeds supporting the Lokahi program. New Orleans musician Matt Lemler will bring New Orleans in stride to St. Michael's Church in Lihui on Friday, September 12th at 7 p.m. The following evening, September 13th at 7 p.m., a sacred concert featuring the Book of Psalms will take place. The weekend will conclude with a jazz mass on Sunday, September 14th at 10 a.m. The Saturday concert and Sunday mass will be open to the public, and a reception will follow in the parish hall. The Kauai Society of Artists will present its annual juried art exhibition, Art Kauai 2025, at the KSA Gallery in Lihui. The opening reception will take place on Friday, September 12th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The exhibition will then run from September 13th through October 24th with daily hours from noon to 6 p.m. and until 7 p.m. on Fridays. This showcase will feature work from across the island's visual arts community, including painting, sculpture, photography, fiber, and ceramics. The Kauai Filipino Community Council will host the installation of its newly elected council for 2025 through 2027, along with an awards banquet on Friday, September 12th at the Royal Sonesta Hotel Ballroom. Doors will open at 6 p.m. The evening will also feature the coronation of the new Miss Kauai Filipina, Sierralyn Tolentino, who will succeed the crown as first runner-up. Mistress of the evening will be Miss Hawaii Filipina 2025, Kiani Garcia. This celebration will honor leadership, community, and culture. On the second Saturday of every month, the Rice Street Business Association holds their Crest Street Night Market in downtown Lihue. This month's event takes place on September 13th with all the local crafts, food, and entertainment you can handle. A local art showcase titled Portraits will be presented at Santiago's in Kaua on Saturday, September 13th from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Works by Santiago Soto, Trevor Romaine, Diane Hartley, Laura Lorraine, and Isa Maria will be on display. The evening will feature refreshments and live music curated by Hanalei Art Gallery. All right, Kauai, that's all the Hōʻike we have for you this week. Don't forget to scan our QR code to get more info about any of the events we covered in today's episode. Be sure to get that emergency kit put together, and we'll catch you next week after everything has blown over. Thanks for watching. I'm Trisha Allen, wishing you love and aloha.